What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. This video is going to be pretty epic, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We're finally going to be painting Scrappy's wheels. I'm super gassed. We got Mitch right now behind the camera. We got Matthew actually right now outside, already starting to tackle things. So our plan right now is Sylvie is on my OEM wheels for Scooby, my 18 plus OEM wheels. We're going to take those off and we're going to put her OEM wheels back on for now. We haven't got them fixed yet, but we're gonna fix when the summer comes around because we got snow coming and stuff like that. But we'll put these back on Sylvie. We'll put Sylvie's wheels on Scrappy so then we can bring in Scrappy's wheels, start sanding them, priming them, wet sanding them, getting all the fun in and painting them gold, baby. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, so like I said, it's New England. It's literally only like 6 o'clock, not even. And it's already dark out, but we got Matt out here, literally already going hard for me. Love this kid. He's already got Sylvie jacked up. Wheels coming out here. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, baby. They did her good, but time to get our OEM ones back on. Get these on Scrappy for now. Just sitting on there. All right, guys. So actually, fast forward to a few days. The 18 plus OEM wheels did not end up working out on Scrappy because it didn't clear the Brembo. I wasn't even thinking about it. It needs a spacer. So Harold actually came in clutch and let us use his wheels that came on his car when he had bought them. So those are the wheels we're going to throw on for now while we start prepping these wheels to get painted, all that fun stuff. So, all right, guys, let's get this side jacked up, get these wheels off, and get Harold's wheels on. All right, guys, shout out to Harold. That looks freaking pretty sick, man. Doesn't even look that bad. But now we can definitely start prepping these wheels, sanding them up nice, priming them, and painting them, baby. Let's get this. Alright, guys, so we're starting off with some 400 grit by hand, and we're going to also use 200 grit with a Diablo pad on a buffing wheel, on a torque buffing wheel. So let's get it. Alright, guys, wow, what a massive difference. We pretty much got our wheel nice and prepped, ready for some primer. Holy crap, you can just see it right on the camera. Took out that shine, that clear coat, and all that brake dust. So let's get some primer on here. We're just using index cards, so we don't obviously, paint and prime the tire. But we're pretty much ready now to start ripping. Mitch already sprinkled a little over here for a little test run, but we are pretty much ready to rock. Check out the difference, guys, in silvers. Sanded, not sanded. I mean, obviously these are filthy as well, but whew. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so we're just using the old method trick. We already got all our wheels sanded, one right there, one right there. This one is already primed, drying, so we're getting there, guys. We just got 2 wheels to get primed. Then once they all dry up, wet sanded, and then we can slap the gold on and hit them all with a clear coat. So let's get into it, man. Big shout out to Mitch and Matt for helping me with this project. I am so excited, guys, to get gold BBS wheels on Scrappy. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so as you see, we got the rest of 3 wheels nice and primed, all set, drying up now, so we can wet sand them, get the gold, and start getting our clear on, guys. We're getting close. I'm gassed. Mitch does such a good job. Matt came in clutch. Nice new heater. Keep us warm in this New England weather. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we just finished wet sanding the new primed up wheel. So he is gonna start spraying the nice fresh Grimmspeed gold paint on the wheels so I can record. Alright guys, I officially finished up the wheels with Mitch and Matt just the other day. So finally, they're all nice and dry, cured. So I'm gonna start pulling Scrappy up, guys. We're gonna take Harold's wheels off and we're gonna get these new fresh wheels on, guys. I'm so excited to show you. Let's get it. It really doesn't even look half bad with Harry's wheels on it. The fitment is like sick. Obviously we need to get some coils and stuff on the build, guys, but bear with me. Not bad, man, but again, I can't wait to get these bad Larrys on. We're gonna pull her up a little bit to the driveway. This has been something I've been wanting to do since we got this car, and now I can really just, you know, grab that fender, focus on the fender, guys, over the winter. Nice. Let her warm up a little bit, but again, I'm gonna be taking care of that fender. I'm just gonna give you guys one more quick peep of how she looks with Harold's wheels on it. Still a pretty freaking shot, man. I do really like it. But all right, guys, let's get these new wheels on. All right, guys, we took the Hawkeye to a nice little spot I like to take my cars. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Because I'm so happy with the way it came out, man. You know, huge shout out to Mitch, Matt, you know, all the boys who helped me, you know, get the job done. But I think it absolutely came out beautiful. But let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, guys, the factory BBS Gold is just such a nice touch on this car. Grimmspeed did an excellent job on the paint match. Shout out to Grimmspeed. I will drop the link in the description. But man, guys, I'm so happy with the way this Hawkeye is looking with the front lip. Now the wheels gold. Oh, absolutely killer, guys. I love it. So yeah, now that we did end up finish up the wheels, sorry guys, I know I haven't been posting. Like I said, it has been super cold. You know, we've been dealing with the New England weathers, stuff like that, but things are starting to get nicer out. We're gonna start pumping for you guys again. We got more mods coming to the Hawkeye. We are gonna take care of the shifter bushings and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned to the next video because we are just gonna tackle that real quick. We got Craig and Jay gonna help us out at the Subaru shop. But yeah, guys, other than that, we got the fender. The front end's looking super sweet, but we got the fender that we're gonna be doing this spring. But man, I love the way these wheels look, especially in the sun. Oh, it looks awesome. But definitely we're gonna be doing the fender, guys, and yeah, then we can jump into more power mods, maybe some suspension, stuff like that. But I'm so gassed with the way this car's sitting right now. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think Grimmspeed did a good job, and for our first wheel painting, I don't think we did that bad of a job. You know, eventually we'll probably go back, fix some things, you know. Obviously, the clear coat was a little bit harder, so some spots do look a little bit better than others, but I'm pretty satisfied with it, guys. Like I said, for our first time, definitely came out freaking awesome. But yeah, man, if you guys liking the channel and you're liking the content, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.